class take out your homework?
Achoo 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 achoo.
Alright, who sneezed?
It was Brian.
Yeah, it was Brian. Brian, go to the principal's office now.
Sob 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 sob.
So Brian, why are you here?
I sneezed in class.
Oh no, H.
That's it, you are suspended for 6 months. Go home, Brian, I'm calling your parents.
Sob 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 sob. I can't believe I got suspended for 6 months for sneezing in class. Oh no.
Brian, we just got a call from the principal. You got suspended for 6 months for sneezing in class.
You are grounded for 6 months.
With no video games, no computer,
No hanging out with friends, no going to your favorite restaurants,
no having fun, no dessert,
no going anywhere, no eating your favorite foods,
no TV, no playing sports.
no doing any of your favorite things, no anything.
Now go to your room and sleep for 6 months.
Sob 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 sob. I guess I'll go to bed and sleep for 6 months.